What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about a mechanical offset. So as you can see on this rifle, I have a Midwest Industries 193 mount. Now this is a higher mount. Usually whenever you present, it's for people that wear night vision and stuff like that, but it's kind of becoming a newer thing. It's easier to get a sight picture. So whenever I present, I don't have to bring my head down or anything crazy like that. I can just bring the gun up and rock and roll. So, but having that creates a few different issues, and one of the issues is knowing your holds. Now, like I said, because there's such a difference between the center line of the optic and the bore, there is what's called an offset. So your mechanical offset is the distance between the center line of your optic and the center line of your bore. So if I am shooting, say, at one of these squares, it's going to hit this third square. So if I aim dead center of the first square, it's going to hit on the third square. So that is a mechanical offset. And two of the most used and most common phrases are know your holds and know your offset. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the range and we're going to check this out. So like Dorothy, I'm going to rack the bolt 3 times. We're going to go to the range. Ready? It doesn't. Oh, cool. I guess it worked. So check it out. Here we go. So I have 3 targets here, it looks like. 7, 15, 25 yards. So I'm going to shoot at each one at those different distances, and we're gonna go over the different point of aim, point of impacts on these targets. These are only about 8-inch circles. So let's get it. First one, 7 yards. All right, so you can see that we're about 2 inches low right here. That's at 7 yards. So now we're going to move back to 15. We'll see what that looks like. Group's about the same, but you can see that it's come up significantly by doubling, a little more than doubling, because this is 7, this is 15 yards, but it's come up significantly since doubling, little over doubling that distance. So now we're going to jump back to 25. We're going to see what happens there. Well, you can see I had 2 good shots. Then I hiccuped as soon as I pulled the trigger. Whatever. Anyways, so we have 7 yards. Like I said, that's about 2.5, 2 inches low. Then we have 15 yards where my group is about here. That's cut in half. That's about 1 inch or so low. And then right here, this is 25 yards. You can see that I'm dead center where I want to be, because that's what my rifle sighted in at 25 yards. So this is just know your holds, know your offset. You got to work with it so you know at different yards. So now what I can do is, you can see that my 3, it's right about where this line is. So if I'm shooting at 7 yards, that means my dot on my optic needs to be about right here, and then I'll be putting it in the center. Let's see what that looks like. So like I said, I'm going to aim about right here, and my shot should fall right there. We're going to go back to 7 yards, and then we'll see exactly how a mechanical offset works. So I fired kind of fast. I should have slowed it down a little bit, but you get the point. Mechanical offset, know your holds. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. Have a great day.